I have two big announcements today. The first is that I have co-founded a hot new startup in robotics with these three fine gentlemen, a cracking AI team, some world-class advisors, some world-class investors, and a whole bunch of world-class business angels. We are a band committed to try and produce a technology which will improve the life of everyone, which every time I say it still seems a little ridiculous, but that is the dream. Technology has to make life better. That's us for now. We are growing fast. We are based in Paris. We are called UMA, which is the three middle letters from human, and also make a nice little logo of a humanoid figure. So if you want to join us, if you want to get involved, it will be a mixture of commercial and open source. And if you're really keen and really good, there may even be a job for you in Paris. Now, as a result of that, the second exciting news is that I will finally release the V2. It'll actually be the 2.3. It's been through quite a lot of revisions, and this is now a very usable hand. 19 degrees of freedom, fully tendon driven, full flex at the knuckles, not full human fingers, but semi-dexterous, which means the last two joints are linked, opposable thumb, wrist, forearm, fully 3D printed, $700 bill of materials in total, depending on tariffs, how quickly you get things, and how good you are at hunting around for a bargain. I will open source the repository right now, in fact. This is the Robot Studio repository. This will be released under the Robot Studio name. UMA may at some point also add their own software, but for now this is my farewell gift to the community. These are all the things I've released so far, but this is the one today. It's only been private so far, but it's all there except for the instructions. Now, people have managed to build this with what's here. Max Titov particularly, who built the V1 and the interface to the controller, which was subsequently published by Hugging Face. He's now off working at 1X. But it is possible. I have also taught somebody locally, and she will hopefully take up those reins. And I think it's here. Here we go. And do some courses, and I will add hopefully a link to a website or some way of getting in contact, and we'll see how we can go about helping people build this. So it's down here in the danger zone. Change to public. I want to make this repository public. I do. Huh? Is that it? Again? Okay. Right. I'll have to go and look up a code for that. But from now on, you can access all the files. Good luck and happy building.